Reps matter in the gym and in sales. RepX is your strongest rep doing the work, qualifying, answering, demoing 24/7. See you at the launch.
Hey everyone, a big fat hi from the Storylane team. We're here at Storylane's offsite, Langkawi, Malaysia, and we thought what better time to let you know about what's coming next with Storylane.
Before we show you what we have been building, we wanted to take a moment to reflect on all our biggest releases from the last year.
2025 was our biggest year yet. We had over 500 releases, including a whole suite of AI-based features. Video avatars, voiceovers, prompt-based HTML editing, and a whole lot of AI-based content creation.
We also updated our hubs to now include videos, PDFs, any embeds, and of course, demos.
And interest screens for hubs, it lets buyers choose what they're most interested in before you even meet with them.
Next, we integrated with your favorite tools. Think Gong, Calendly, HubSpot, Salesforce, just to name a few, so that demos aren't an isolated experience, they're part of your overall go-to-market motion. And we released A/B testing to help you validate your demo building strategies, such as which CTAs convert best, how many steps your demo should be, and whether or not they should be gated.
But the more we talk to customers, the more we realize interactive demos solve only half the problem.
Today's B2B websites and the way we educate about products needs to change. Buyers today need a contextually relevant answers. They need a conversation at their own pace, at their own time, as the need of the hour.
So we asked ourselves, what if your website doesn't just show your product, it sells it? Showing relevant demos, having real conversations, and qualifying visitors before handing off to sales.
It's the most ambitious thing we have done. We have been testing it internally, and a lot of you have been beta testing it as well. And now it's ready. All right, enough from us. Let me hand it over to Nalin to show you what we've been working on.
Hi, I'm Nalin, founder and CEO of Storylane. If you're a marketing leader at a B2B company, you probably spend a ton of resources driving traffic to your website. But the truth is, most of your visitors leave without getting their questions addressed, without understanding your product, and without becoming a qualified lead. Now here's a stat, 97% of visitors leave silently. Your website is your most important touch point. It's where the buying journey really starts. But for most companies, it's still just a passive experience. Today, that changes. We are going to give voice to your website. Think about what happens when a buyer lands on your website. Maybe they are very early in their research. They don't even know what questions to ask yet. Or maybe they're deep in their evaluation, comparing your product against the competitors. Either way, they're navigating complex information, hunting for relevant resources, maybe filling out a form and waiting for response for days. Meanwhile, your sales team is spending hours on calls doing a basic discovery call, answering the same questions again and again, walking through the same product again, trying to qualify if this person is a good fit. We have spent the last 5 years helping companies put interactive demos on their website, and it's been great. Buyers experience the product without having to talk to anyone. And we also realized the value or a need for a conversation during that experience. So today, I am super excited to introduce to you all RepX. RepX is a conversational marketing agent that lives right on your website, trained on your product documentation, your best sales playbooks, enablement assets, and Storylane demos. Think of it like a superhuman rep available 24/7, speaking any language, ready to have a real conversation with every single visitor that comes to your website. We call the RepX on our website Lily. You can build your own. This isn't a chatbot or a rule-based workflow. This is lifelike video conversation that answers questions, runs product demos, and qualifies prospects before handing them off to human sellers to close out the deal. Now, here is how it works. First, train RepX with relevant resources, your knowledge base articles, product documentation, sales collaterals, demos, call transcripts, and everything that you need. RepX learns from all of this and learns to be a top performing rep. It can handle objections and also learns how to qualify them. Second, customize your avatar. We have Lily, but you can create your own to match your brand, your tone, your personality. It's video-based experience, not just a text on the screen. Third, all you have to do is deploy the RepX on your website. When somebody lands on your site, they can start a conversation, ask questions, dive deep into specific use cases, and experience exactly how your product can help. This is where RepX is really powerful. It actually walks buyers at their own pace through interactive demos, pulls up relevant case studies, shares product specifications, all in the flow of a natural conversation. And on your end, apart from getting more qualified buyers, you get complete transcripts of every conversations and relevant engagement that's happening straight into your Slack or Teams as an alert. And it will help refine your sales page, improve your positioning, and understand what's top of mind for buyers as well. RepX doesn't replace your sales team, it qualifies for them. It prepares the buyers. So when your sales teams get on a call, they are not starting from scratch. They have a strategic conversation with people who already understand your product. You can expect more qualified leads because buyers self-select based on real discovery, not just downloading some white paper. Faster pipeline growth without having to hire a big army of SDRs to qualify. Better conversion rates for your team because the time someone talks to your team, they are well educated and engaged. And most importantly, better buying experience. They get answers, they want them, they move at their own pace, they're not stuck in a queue waiting. This is the future of how B2B websites will work, not passive. We give voice to the website, it's conversational, it's intelligent, always on RepX. If you want to see it in action or build your own, just simply head out to storylane.io/RepX or reach out to our team. We'll get you set up quickly. From day one, our mission with Storylane has been to simplify B2B buying and selling with easy demo experiences. We started with demos, then hubs last year, and now we're including RepX to deliver real conversation, real discovery, real qualification at scale.